Hey everyone, this week on Cleaning with Casey, we're going to be going to the car wash and showing you how to clean the car. I'll see you at the car wash. Last thing before we leave, we got to make sure we put on our mask and our gloves to make sure we don't get sick. And then we're going to head to the car wash. We just got to the car wash and now we have to pay to be able to go through it.
This is a Shark's Tale exclusive 2004 phenomenal hit. Yeah, let's drop it on them like this.
Now that we're out of that super cool car wash, we're going to have to get all of the trash out of the car, make sure you get it all from the doors and inside, and we're going to bring it over to the trash can and throw it away. After now we have all of the trash out of the car, we want to make sure we vacuum the floor really good to get all of the dirt, crumbs, or maybe food that's left on the floor. And make sure you get around the corners of the seat and the edge of the seat and inside of the seat. So we're going to need to vacuum it and the floor, making sure we get it really good. Moving on to the other side to make sure we get everywhere and the other seat as well. Now that we have the back of the car all vacuumed, we're going to make sure we vacuum the front and get the seat in the front as well as the floor in the front too. Make sure not to hit any pedals though. Now that the front seat and back seat of the car is all vacuumed, time to vacuum the trunk. We have to move everything out of the trunk to be able to get to the floor. Make sure we again vacuum up all of the dirt or the specks of paper or food or anything else on the floor and make sure it gets very clean. Now that the entire car is done, time to get a towel and cleaner to be able to wipe down the inside. Now that we have our multi-surface cleaner and our rag, we're going to spray the dashboard of the car and wipe it down, making sure to get any of the dust or dirt that might be on it. Make sure you scrub really good and then spray some more if you need to. Then we need to clean the steering wheel too. Be very careful. You should ask your parents' help for this before going and doing it. Always ask for your parents' help before getting in the front of the car. Now that the dashboard is clean, it's time to move on to all of the seats. Let's make sure we scrub these really well because we sit in these every time we're in the car. So we need to make sure there's no germs or dirt on them. So now that the front seat is all clean, we're going to move on to the back seat, making sure we scrub really well again, the seat, the back, and the headrest of the chair. After that's all cleaned, we're going to move on to the front seat and scrub the back of it. Everywhere in the car needs to be cleaned. So now we're going to scrub this and make it very clean and make sure there's no dirt left on it. Now that we're done washing all the seats, we need to make sure we clean the inside of the windows and the doors of the car. So we're going to scrub the window and then scrub where the handles are and where the cubbies are, making sure to get everything nice and clean. Now that we're done wiping the inside of the car, we need to put our cleaner up and make sure we clean up our rags. Now that our car is all clean, we're back at home. I hope you guys had fun at the car wash with me, and maybe you can go to the car wash with your parents too to be able to help them clean their car. Well, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.